So let's see how to create purchase orders and GRNs in Rapidfacto. So let's come to the purchase orders section here. Here we can see all of our past purchase orders. Let's create a new one by clicking this button. We will choose our vendor. Let's choose this. It will autofill the delivery address for us. Now, whenever you choose a material that you're ordering, the software will only allow you to order the materials for which this supplier is approved, making sure that your records are always correct. So since I've approved all of these materials for this vendor, I will choose poly pouches for now. I will enter the quantity that we are ordering. Now we allow multiple units of measurement, so you can order in one unit while using in another. Okay, and now I'll enter the unit price and the tax percentage. If I want to order any other material, I can just choose that, enter the quantity, the unit price and the tax percentage, and just click on the create button. Now that the purchase order is created, we can just go ahead and click on view. Here I can see that we ordered 1000 millimeters of poly pouches and we have received 0 till now. Similarly, we ordered 1000 millimeter of titanium grade 5 sheet and we received 0 till now. Whenever we receive any shipment, we will create a GRN for it, which is basically your goods received note. So we'll enter the GRN date, the vendor invoice number, the invoice date, and if you use gate entry codes, you can also enter that. Now below, we will enter how much quantity did we actually receive. Let's say we received 500 mm on the first shipment and 1000 mm of this particular material. Now, if your vendor has an inward batch number, you can mention that here also, and just simply click on the save and issue button. Now here I can see that my GRN is created. If I come to my home screen, you will see that I will get a notification stating that one GRN is pending material inspection. Okay, so if I just go ahead and click on this, here I can see this is my GRN that I just created. It is in inward stage right now. I'll click on the view button. And here I can see all of the details that I have received 500 millimeters. The next step would be inspection and testing of your raw materials.